Hi YouTube friends, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, and today we are going to talk about the median in statistics. Are you ready? So, come with me. Hi friends, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, okay? And today we are going to study statistics. This is our class number 1 of 6, all right? So now we are going to start the measures of central tendency. So let's see our opening, as usual. And now we are going to start the class itself. Statistics, measures of central tendency. If you ask me what statistics is, I can tell you. It is the part of mathematics that collects and analyzes numerical data in large quantities, especially for the purpose of inferior proportions in a whole from those in a representative sample. And starting our basic study of statistics, let's see the measures of central tendency, the mean, the mode, the arithmetic mean, and the weighted mean. And these measures seek to help us to better understand and analyze the characteristics of the collected data in a survey. And finally, let's see statistics median, ME. It is the middle value in distribution when the values are arranged in ascending or descending order. So when someone gives you a distribution of data, the first thing you've got to do is write in this distribution of the data in ascending or descending order, okay? Well, I myself prefer writing them in ascending order, okay? But this is my way of doing it. You can do it in a different way if you want, okay? So there are two forms of calculating the median, okay? It depends on the number, it depends on the quantity of the distribution that you have, all right? If it is even or if it is odd number, okay? Well, let me show you one here. There's a pointer. Okay, so from here. When two numbers fall in the middle, you simply add the value of the two numbers and divide by 2 to get the middle of the two numbers. So in example A is one form of calculating this, and example B is the other form. Let's check both of them. So example A, the board below shows the number of medals won by the Brazilian athletes in the last 3 Olympic Games. Okay, so the years are 2012, 2016, and 2020. So the total of meters in 2012 is 19. In 2016 is 17. And in 2020 it is 21, okay? So pay attention that the total of meters here, you have 1, 2, and 3, all right? So find the median of the total of meters won in these years. You have to write the distribution you want to calculate. You have to write them in ascending order. As I told you, this is my way of doing it. 17, 19, and 21, this is in ascending order, okay? So when it happens, the middle one, if there is a middle term, the middle term, okay, is already the median, okay? So you have only to do this. The median is already 19, okay? There are no calculations, okay? It is very easy to do when you have 3, 5 terms, okay? So when you have all the number of terms, okay? The middle one is the answer, all right? And see now. The teacher of math, Regy Safadão, me, usually checks his students' learning by calculating the median of the grades obtained by his groups. Consider that the students of one of these groups got the following grades in the first quarter of this year. Look at the table. So here we have a table with the grades of those students of one of his groups, and the grades are there. Okay, 4.5, 5.5, 8.5, 10, 6.5, and so on. All right. So let's see what we gotta do. So find the median of these students' grades. All right. So what we gotta do firstly is writing. Okay, is writing the distribution of data, okay, of those grades from the lowest to the highest grade. Okay, see, 4.5, 4.5, 5, until here 10, 10, 10, and 10. Okay, so check. If you have 20 grades, you have 20 students, you have 20 grades. So check if you have only one number, only one term in the middle of this distribution of data. No, now you have two terms in the center, okay, in the middle. So when it happens, you do differently from the first example, example A. Okay, so when it happens, you have to add it, okay, those terms in the middle, and always you have to add them, and you have to divide them by two, always divide them by two. All right, so 7 plus 7.5 over 2. Let's do it. So the median is, well, 7 plus 7.5 is 14.5 over 2. Easily we see that the median is 7.25. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video. This is our first class about the median. All right, then we are going to see the other measures of center tendency, the mode, the arithmetic mean, and also the weighted mean. Okay, thank you very much. See you. Bye bye. Regy Safadão saying goodbye.
That's all, folks.